Hello everyone, so it's me Lutfi. Today is my first day of quarantine in Taiwan, and as you can see di belakang aku ini merupakan kamar kantin aku yang super comfy. In this video, I just wanna tell you my perjalanan flight to Taiwan kemarin. Aku sampai di Taiwan itu jam 9 dan baru sampai di hotel tuh jam 1 malam. So, penasaran kan gimana perjalanan aku kemarin? Let's check it out. After all the awardee touchdown in Jakarta, we are now going to get on the plane. I'm so excited. This is my first time going by plane, and beside me, there are my friends, Diana and Putu. Yeah, hello. And in the back row, there's also my friend, Awardee Iisma. To be honest, I'm nervous, guys. Yay, we are ready to take off. Okay guys, so I will review what features are on the China Airlines. There's movie, TV show, music, games, kids, playlist, and then airline info, survey, F&B information and etc, chat, 3D voyager shopping, and what's new. In the middle of the flight, we are given an arrival card. This is card that must be owned by students who want to go to Taiwan. After that, we got earphone, guys. It's food time. There are cracker, butter, fruit, salad, bread, and Muslim meal, and then water. It looks so delicious. For the Muslim meal, we got pasta, carrot, kacang polong, I guess, and then chicken, breast chicken. And you know, guys, it tastes so good. After eating the food, we watch a movie. I watch Jurassic Park. Guys, this is flight attendant of China Airlines, and she just gave me Coca-Cola. Yay! It's almost night, and guys, I was surprised to see the sunset view. Wow! Oh my God, that's so beautiful view I have ever seen in my life. Now it's time for me to review the bathroom. Wow, we are almost touchdown in Taiwan International Airport. Well, I'm so in love with the vibe of China Airlines. Finally, we are arrived at Taiwan. After going through several procedures, we finally left the airport to wait for our car. After that, we go to the quarantine hotel and we will quarantine for 7 days. Finally, we just arrived at our quarantine hotel in Taichung, and see you in the next part, guys.